Hi students, now I am going to discuss one of the Python program to find the maximum value of given array. Very first line of this program is non-executable statement which is not execute in the runtime. It is called a command. It is start with a hash symbol. Next line I am going to read the array size n value from the keyboard. The innermost function input function is used to read the value from the keyboard. First of all, it will display the message enter the array size. Then it will move the cursor to immediate next line. Why? Because here backslash n is used to move the cursor to next line. Then whatever value I am going to read from the keyboard, it treat as a string. So you should convert it to integer. So outermost function int function is used to convert the string. Then it will assign to n. My input is 5. Okay, next line I am going to declare the array without mentioning any size. A equal to within square bracket without mentioning the size of the array. Okay, next line for loop I value that range is n. N means my input is 5. The I value is 0 to 4. Up to 4 it will true. So every loop statement is end with colon. Okay, fine. Here the condition is true. I value is 0. Control comes inside. A dot append is a method is used to read the value. It add the value to the particular location, a of 0th location. Through input function I am reading the value. That value will convert it to string. Then it will stored into a of 0th location. I value is 0. A of 0th location it will store. So my input is 45. It will store in a of 0th location. Then control comes here and increment the I value 0 plus 1, it will become 1. Again condition is true. 1 less than 5, condition is true. Control comes here. The same manner it will read the value from the keyboard. It treat as a string. Then it will convert it to integer. Then it will assign to a of first location. A of first location. My input is 25. 25 will stored in a of first location. Then control comes here. Then it will increment the I value. I value become 1 plus 1, it will become 2. Then control comes inside the loop. This it will read the value from the keyboard through input function. It treat as a string. Then it will convert it to integer through input function. Then it will store a of second location. My input is 75. 75 will stored in a of second location. Then control comes here. 2 plus 1 3. 3 less than 5, condition is true. Then control comes here. The same manner it will read the value from the keyboard through input function. Then it will convert it to integer. Then it will store a of third location. My value is 15. 15 will store a of third location. Okay, fine. Then control comes here. 3 plus 1, it will become 4. 4 4 less than 5, condition is true. Then control comes here. It will read the value from the keyboard through input function. Then it converted to integer. Then it will stored in a of fourth location. My input is 35. 35 will stored in a of fourth location. Then control comes here and it will print and it will increment I value. 4 plus 1, it will become 5. 5 less than 5, 5 to 5, condition is false. Then control comes here. Print the a value, array value. That it will print a of 0th location value is 45. A of first location value 25. A of second location value 75. A of third location value 15. A of fourth location value is 35. It will print. Here next line I am going to assign the a of 0th location, that is value 45. I am assigning to max. Then control comes here. I value once again reassign. I 0 to 5, condition is true. End with the colon. Then control comes inside. The max value is 45. Less than or equal to a of 0th locations also 45. Condition is true. Every if statement is end with the colon. The again once again a of 0th location value will assign to max. Then there is no other statement. Automatically control comes here and it will increment the I value. 0 will become 1. Condition is true. Then control comes inside. Max value is 45, less the max value is 45, greater than or equal to A of first location value is 25, condition is false, then control comes here, control comes here, that is I value become 1 plus 1, it will become 2, condition is true, 2 less than 5, condition is true, then control comes here, and 40 max value is 45, and A of first location, A of first, second location value is 75, so greater than or equal to max greater than or equal to 75, condition is true, A of second location value 75 will assign to max, then control comes here and it will increment 2 plus 1 3, 3 less than 5, condition is true, max value is 75, A of third location value that is 15, condition is false, then control comes here, 3 plus 1 4, condition is true, 4 less than 5, condition is true, control comes here, max value is 75, A of fourth location value is 35, condition is false, then control comes here, 4 plus 1 5, 5 to 5 or 5 less than 5, condition is false, then control comes here and print maximum, and that is 75, max value is 75, will print, the program is over. In our given input, input is 45, 25, 75, 15, 35, in that 75 is a maximum value. Okay, fine, we'll see the output. Fi is used to run the program, array size is 5, my input is 45, 0th location it will store, and 25 first location will store, 75 second location it will store, 15 third location it will store, 35 fourth location it will store, then in that list 75 is the maximum. Okay, fine, kindly subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you, and share to social media.